So here is our understanding with the sprint estimation based on the video recording. Relative estimation assess the effort required for a task in comparison to other tasks. Instead of providing an exact measurement, you estimate how one task stacks up against others in terms of complexity, effort, and uncertainty. So, unlike absolute estimations, it provides a specific measure of effort, usually in terms of time, hours, or days, for each task. This approach aims to give a concrete amount of time or resources needed to complete the task. And according to the video, it has a kind of emotional attachment. So, the story points are measure used in agile project management to estimate the effort required to complete a user story or task. When assigning story points, teams considered several factors, including the amount of work, so the total amount of work needed to complete a task, risk and uncertainty, the potential of unforeseen problems, or the obstacles and level of uncertainty about how to complete a task or the outcome, and the complexity. So, the intricacy of the task or how difficult it is to complete a task, or it is to complete the task. So, here are examples of our story points that uses Fibonacci sequence and as a scale, and the t-shirt sizing as a measure. So we used the Fibonacci sequence, like the minimal effort or 1 for fixing a minor typo on a web page, a small effort for 2, adding a new field form with minimal validation requirements, and moderate effort for 3 for implementing a basic search functionality with new filters, and so on. So 21 is the extreme effort. Depends on the team on how to use the Fibonacci sequence. So story point is usually performed during the product backlog refinement sessions and be evaluated by the team. So that's on my end.